We done crashed the boat.
Nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the mood. And even sometimes he would go away too. And one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. And one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Sean so 1K. I'm back with another fucking video. So listen, y'all. Today I'm finna be, you know what I'm saying, vibing out, Miami type shit, Miami vibes. You know what I'm saying? We finna get litty. Hey. But listen though, I'm finna get ready. I'm just waking up, I'm looking cap. I'm not getting no haircut. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not getting no cut. That shit is dead. But I'm finna, you feel me, go like wash my hair or whatever, cause my shit is itchy. But I'm finna get ready real quick. Give me a few minutes. I might go to the mall. I'm gonna go handle something. Go to the mall, whatever. Then what I plan on doing is doing yachts, jet skis, having fun, showing out. You know what I'm saying? And you already know we finna take some pictures or whatever. We finna vibe out. Give me a few minutes. Let me go shower, brush my teeth, do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Wash my hair, and we wanna get lady. Lady, yeah. Alright, y'all, see y'all in a little bit. So guys, I'm on my way to the mall now. I'm picking up one of my dogs. I ain't gonna get no haircut, but I had some clippers at my house. You feel me? I just touched up the sides or whatever. Just like the front of my tape or whatever, cause that bitch better. You know what I'm saying? I ain't do bad, but I ain't do good, you know what I'm saying? I ain't push my shit back. I just washed my hair too. My shit feel good. My shit clean a little bit. But I'm at my dog's house right now. This nigga not even outside. I'm outside, G. Yeah. Oh yeah, so what I'm really going to the mall for is, so my chain, I had this chain for like a couple years or so. That shit just split, so I just gotta go get the shit fixed. I'll get shit fixed. That's the only reason I'm going to the mall, cause I really don't need shit. And this nigga, I don't think he bought swimming trunks. He bought them online, he thought it was gonna come on time, but I guess not. So y'all, we in the mall, we vibing. We in Aeropostale. We trying to buy this nigga some swimming trunks, but he don't want to pay for them. The shit is buy one get one free. He talking about I buy one, he get the other one free. Nigga crazy as fuck. You can get these little shits right here. When I pop off, I should see. Fam, what you doing, fam? Fam, it's the beach vibe, fam. It's not about the color. It's the beach vibe. Man, we inside the store, man. Inside the store, man. Yo, this nigga taking forever. Like we got all day. I think I did good. I did alright, I think. Man, this light was way better. This nigga. This nigga about to take 3 more years. Huh?
I like play.
You said what? I don't know, I ain't feeling no. Yeah, I just fixed my chain. Finally got it fixed. Now I'm trying to wear my shit after what? 4 months of it being broken? Don't worry, we're gonna be outside in a little bit. Hold on. But yeah, I'm finna be headed out there now, man. I'm waiting for my dog to come out the house, but let's see the drip. You see the drip, you know what I'm saying? Fucking with it, you know what I'm saying? We about to have a little bit of fun. The drip is there. I got my chain fixed too. My chain is finally fixed. My chain is finally fixed. I'm ashy as fuck. So we at the gas station, y'all. My shit was on E. My shit was on E. I don't think I can see it. show y'all a little bit, but my shit is on E. God damn, that bitch still not stopping. I'm about to start it myself. Cause I ain't got no money. It's backwards, but it's $66 on fucking gas. Ooh, I look good though, bro. What the fuck made me like this? I look good. But yeah, y'all, one of my dogs, he ended up not wanting to go because he be on some lame shit. Like, you feel me? I don't smoke, but I was about it. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop playing. But yeah, I'm just trying to vibe out. Nigga be on some boring shit. He don't want to slide with me. It's cool though. He gonna want to go again. He gonna regret not going. And bitch, I hope you see this nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm clean though. Look at it. Look at it. I be like, Yo, what the fuck? Look at this nigga. Ah. He crazy as fuck.
Right. Can never go somewhere with that fucking hate shit, bro. We supposed to be there at 4. Right now it's, what time is it right now?
3:30.
3:30. We going all the way to Miami. He think he a driver.
Put him on the head with an L like he Luigi. That's something I gotta do. I can't even record first. Don't do. You really 10 times worse. Keep them niggas out they feelings when they jokes.
Load in on the truck, next day he flew back.
Niggas don't say shit, they keep it off the internet. Them niggas get weird, me on me.
Yeah. Okay.
Win me on me. Take over here, ride with that bitch. Know them niggas near.
Up, one on my neck, one on my frontal. Chef, why you being weird? No, why you being weird to me?
Hey, what you doing for?
Hey, he coming on, he coming get you. Get in the car, get in the stall. He coming with, get in the tank.
I say, you thought we was gonna be broke forever. I'll put my name on. Me a million!
Hey, we're in Miami, man. Hey, we finna be living, man. We about to have a little bit of fun or whatever, man. We out here, man. I don't know if y'all can see them. We in Miami. Mas café bui, pouco café bui. I'm telling you, it's day,
Yo, you ain't really die about this shit. It's like we getting shit. You really lie.
Where my shit? She's from London. Where my shit? She's from London.
Hey, this shit vibing, nigga. Bubba saying 100,000, ran it up in public housing. Niggas pussy run around me. Fuck with me, don't fuck with housing. Who got me against Yeah, we done crashed the boat. We done crashed the jet ski. Not on the mat or whatever. But it is what it is. And also, they looking for somebody over there. I don't know if y'all can see, but let me see how this is. I'm gonna show you on the next clip. Fucking police is out here trying to get these motherfuckers. This is crazy. Hold on. They done crashed the boat.
I was trying to figure out how much they're gonna charge for all that. You know what I'm saying? But they crashed the boat. They crashed the jet ski.
That's on the regular for them boys.
Yo, we in South Beach. I seen the fanciest McDonald's. Fanciest McDonald's in South Beach. With an upstairs. Oh shit. Wait, maybe. So y'all, I'm on my way home still from the beach or whatever, from the yacht or whatever. I'm sorry I ain't get to record everything. I was scared for my phone to fall in the fucking ocean. So I prevented myself from using it for a while. And I was showing y'all like small clips or whatever. So pretty much this is more, it's more like small clips or whatever of me having a little bit of fun and explaining some stuff or whatever. I did have a good time. I ate pretty good. It was kind of decent. It wasn't bad. They had some fire ass chicken wings. I don't know what type of chicken wings them was, but them bitches was swinging. Them bitches was good. It tastes like honey, like a honey barbecue or some shit. That bit was good though. Had some amazing pasta. I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go get me something to eat. I don't know what to eat, but I'll figure it out on the way there. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm on my way to go get some food or whatever. Then I'm gonna go home, just vibe, whatever. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all later. So y'all, I'm finally home. Just got back to the crib. Like I said, had a great day. It was fun. My dog crashed a jet ski. I got my chain fixed. Did what I had to do. Look, my tattoo's still looking hard. It's almost healed completely. Still tough. Don't sleep. But yeah, y'all do me a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Do what y'all gotta do. Show me love. I'll show y'all love. You know how I do. Y'all know me. Y'all know how I get. You know what I'm saying? Just show some love and some support. Or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. Thank y'all. Had a great day, like I said. And, you know, just wait for the next video. We outside.
Nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the mood. And even sometimes he would go away too. And when night is I close my eyes.